You know, schools were built for a time that really doesn't exist any longer. Schools were built for a time that said if you want to learn something, if you want to learn algebra or French or Shakespeare or whatever else, you have to be here at this particular time with this particular person, with other kids who are your age from your neighborhood to go through this curriculum at this pace and be assessed in this particular way. And that is the narrative that all of us carry. That is the narrative that all of us own on some level, because that's the narrative that we experienced. But the narrative now is beginning to crumble. The narrative of traditional schooling is beginning to break down.
People just don't understand this. There isn't anything more important that you will have in your life than your kids.
But I'm blessed, looking in the eyes of my children, blessed, surrounded by the love I've been given, blessed. Don't wanna take a moment for granted. Sometimes it's so easy to forget to be grateful for the life I've been living. I'm learning to have faith and forgiving. Sometimes I lift my heart to the heavens just so I remember that I'm blessed. Here we are together, taking time for one another.
Does everything.
She's hiding.
Why is he crawling? There, you don't have to walk.
You know that play is second only to parental influence in affecting the traits and behaviors that we exhibit as adults? Play is so fundamentally important that it is literally hardwired into our DNA. Imaginative play sets the foundation for all future learning and has a profound effect on our problem-solving abilities as adults. In essence, the more we play, the smarter we become.
But I'm blessed, looking in the eyes of my children, blessed, surrounded by the love I've been given, blessed. Don't wanna take a moment for granted. Sometimes